Greetings from the off-grid luxury of the future. A car that completely reimagines adventure is the 2026 Hummer Motorhome. Constructed on the groundbreaking GM Ultium EV chassis, this all-electric monster has a 450-mile range and a tri-motor all-wheel drive system with over 1,000 horsepower. Its strong, muscular body gives it a modern look without sacrificing the recognizable Hummer design. This vehicle is built to dominate any terrain thanks to its enormous 37-inch tires, cutting-edge skid plates, and strengthened carbon fiber body. Thanks to features like four-wheel steering and CrabWalk mode, it can move into tight spaces that would typically stop other RVs in their tracks. It is a portable stronghold of wealth and authority that you can take with you anywhere in the globe. The inside of the driver's cockpit resembles a spacecraft's command center more than a campervan. A huge 13.4-inch center touchscreen controls everything, including navigation and any off-grid gear. It effortlessly attaches to a 12.3-inch digital driver display, giving you immediate access to all the important data you want. UltraVision technology provides you with the security you need with up to 18 camera views and a live view beneath the vehicle. The AI Smart Hub Atlas, which controls the whole system, learns your routines and automates the car's operations to guarantee a smooth journey. The Hummer Motorhome really excels in the spacious living area. An open-concept smart lounge was created using premium, environmentally friendly materials and a straightforward design. Voice and gesture control is used to operate the building's lighting, heating, and entertainment system. In addition to having a retractable rooftop drone bay for route reconnaissance or recording stunning footage, the ceiling is an incredible piece of art. A 65-inch TV quietly hangs from the ceiling when it's time to unwind. Thanks to the placement of speakers in the headrests and a sophisticated, multi-zone temperature control system, every passenger enjoys a unique and compelling experience. A quiet sanctuary is located just outside the lounge. The bedroom has a king-size bed and a huge wraparound window that provides a panoramic view of the surroundings. A sophisticated music system and ambient lighting create the ideal environment for a good night's sleep, and the smart, connected bed adapts to your body's demands. To keep everything neat and orderly, the room features a ton of built-in storage in the walls and beneath the bed. When traveling, the restroom redefines luxury. Its clever water recycling system allows you to spend a lot of time off the grid, and the huge rainfall shower is a wonderful sight after a long day of touring. The vanity sink is sleek and simple, and the toilet is a contemporary, odorless compost system. Smart sensors that regulate the lighting and ventilation ensure a fresh and comfortable environment wherever you go. The Hummer Motorhome's dedication to freedom is evident in its gourmet-style kitchen. The car's enormous battery powers a convection microwave oven, a big refrigerator, and a full-size induction cooktop. The smart pantry has a hydroponic garden that lets you produce fresh greens while you're on the go, and the counters are composed of a sturdy composite. A constantly fresh brew is guaranteed with an integrated voice-activated coffee helper.